Control number 40274. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Rhea Epidelson. I'm 39 years old. I'm single mom. I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. And I have 1 brother and 3 sisters. I'm the middle of them.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm undergraduate second year high school and actually high school.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to provide for my son and daughter needs, and I want to help my brother and sister.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. United Arab Emirates. I'm working there for 8 years as a domestic helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
To take food and to give food and to taking care of him, and then I will assist to hospital.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for children?
Taking a bath and give food.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cleaning and washing and ironing.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chop suey and steamed fish. And Filipino food is adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
Being friendly and hardworking and honest.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
Treat me like a sister and family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise to finish 2 years my contract, and I will promise to hard work here. Thank you.